People say a diamond is a girl's best friend. No, a toner is. A toner is one of the most important part of our skincare. It tightens the pores, एक बहुत fresh और clean appearance देता है while preventing acne and fighting acne scars. So our first ingredient is rosewater. This controls oil production in our skin. इसके anti-inflammatory properties skin की redness और irritation को कम करते हैं and it's amazing for acne prone skin. Now, the second thing is apple cider vinegar, making sure that you're buying the raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar. This is known to balance आपकी skin के pH levels को, enlarged pores को shrink करता है, इसके antibacterial properties आपकी skin को अंदर तक साफ करते हैं and acne और acne scars के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है ये. So I'm just going to open this bottle right here. इसके अंदर already rose water है. I'm going to take 2 ढक्कन्स full of the apple cider vinegar and I'm just going to put it into this. Remember, कभी भी इसको directly मत use कीजिएगा. It's too harsh for the skin. Now, this is some homemade scented rose water. क्योंकि इसकी smell बहुत तेज होती है, you can either add a scented rose water or some essential oils. आपकी मर्जी. So this bottle is from the Body Shop. You can get it from other places too, but because I've had amazing results with this product, I continue to use this. Tea tree oil का सबसे popular benefit acne और acne scars को heal करना है. Its usage is known to help you get clear and flawless skin. Add this only if you have acne. Just add like a few drops of this and you're good to go. Now this is that secret product that makes the skin glow. This helps fight more of the permanent marks on our skin. It's a natural moisturizer that helps soften skin. Apple cider vinegar का एक बहुत tightening और drying effect होता है, so we add this for the moisturizing finish and the glow जो skin को instantly मिलता है. So ये capsules में आती हैं. These are very easily available in any place that you guys would go to get these. I'm going to like puncture 2 of the capsules और मैं इसके अंदर mix कर दूंगी इसको, and this is very very important because we want to have a very nice finish. Lastly, इसको बंद करने से पहले we're going to add a little bit of water into it. So try using this in the morning and night after cleansing your face or whenever you feel like refreshing your skin. जो इसका एक boost आता है एकदम से, it's crazy, and because it's all natural, you know that you're not doing your skin any harm. So I hope you guys love this one. Bye!